Oh, glory to God. Good afternoon, everyone. Sure, we are having a wonderful day. This is still your brother, your friend, Brother Fidelis Odalume, the CEO of Family Pattern. I want to sincerely appreciate those who have subscribed to my channel, even as many doing so, as many thinking of doing so. Please just go to YouTube, search for Family Pattern with Fidelis. Go to the subscription button, subscribe, like, share, and leave comments so that anytime there is a new video, you get notification. I want to really say thank you for as many that has been encouraging me. Just as I've said, this is a vision God has given to us to raise a godly family in this morally decayed society. We are in a society where marital crisis is an issue of concern. God needs to raise men that will be able to build family, children that will be able to represent Him even in this world. And God has chosen us to be one of them. So in this episode, I want to be sharing with us, most especially this is going to the lady, how to make your man propose very fast. How to make him propose very fast. You know, when we talk about propose, it is a word that is used in different environments. When it comes to the marriage setting, it talks about commitment. So it means that it is a step to commitment of marriage. But then it's not actually the final step, because there are a lot of people that are proposed at the end of the day, they don't end up in getting married. But those signs I want to be sharing with you goes beyond letting him propose, because it's what is seen in you that will make him propose. So what are those signs that you should possess? What are those things that you should possess that will make him propose very fast? One of them is that if you are into a relationship, you don't show to your man that you are so desperate to be married. No. Now, guys, boys, take advantage of that. Include now, men are hunters. When they get what they want, they are gone. Now, when you are in a relationship and you are desperate, your man sense that you are desperate, you just want him to get married to you. Now that man begin to make some adjustment. No, you don't get him to propose like that. Just be yourself. Do what you think is needed. Work on his character. Work on those things that will bring about success in the marriage. Just do things that will make a proof, that will prove to him that you are you could be a woman that he desired to be with. This is one of the signs you should be looking out for, that you should not be desperate. Number two things you should do to make it quickly propose is work on yourself. Concentrate on working on yourself. Now, when we talk about concentrate on working on yourself, naturally, men are attracted and respect ladies that create time to develop themselves. Now, when we talk about concentrating on yourself, it talks about building yourself spiritually, building yourself career-wise, building yourself in terms of character. Because now the truth of the matter, just as I've said earlier, it is one thing to propose, it is another thing for the marriage to last. What will make marriage to last is character. Now, when you build your character, and your character is something emulating, the man has no choice than to propose. So you must learn to concentrate on yourself in building your character, in building your careers, in building your business. Prove to him that, yes, I am coming into marriage. If I must get married to you, I'm not coming as a liability. I am coming to impart your life positively with those things I have trained myself over time. I have trained myself with. So you must learn to build yourself, concentrate on those virtues, those values that will sustain the marriage after he has proposed. By so doing, he will go down to you and propose to you. So in our next episode, we'll be talking about other things you need to do for him to propose very fast. So I still remain your brother Fidelis Odalume. Go to the subscription button, subscribe to my channel, Brother Fidel, family pattern with Fidelis. God bless you. Thanks for watching.